Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In today's video tutorial we have a token that we'll be talking about. It's called SEEDED network. It's a Solana powered token. As you can see, it's a Solana powered crypto. And now we're in the home page. As you can see, this is the home page. Now, as you can see, we have the button that says claim airdrop, and we have the BSC scan. The BSC scan allows you to see the amount, the current holder of this particular crypto, this particular token. Now let us go through the site: project incubator, investors, projects, and all the rest. Now the one that concerns us the most today is claim airdrop. Is this part. Now, as of the time of recording this video, we have about 53 days and 12 hours to either claim this airdrop or partake in their presale. Yes, or partake in their presale. So the SW token will appear on PancakeSwap exchange on March 18, 2022. That is immediately after 53 days and 12 hours. This token is going to appear on the Pancake exchange, where we can exchange our airdrop into another cryptocurrency of our choice. Now, the juicy part of this is that it will be listing to be going for 1.2 USD. Yes, you heard me right. 1 SW will be going for 1.2 USD. That is, we can easily make about $70 from this airdrop. That is wonderful. Now, for those that will be partaking in their presale, this is the minimum buy, which is 0.01 BNB, which will give you about 720 SW, and this is the maximum buy, which will give you about 720,000 SW, but you have to pay 10 BNB for it. All right. Now, this is the buy button, as you can see. Now, for those of you that will be going for the referral program, here you can impute your BEP20 address and get a unique referral link. When you refer anybody that partake in this presale or claim the airdrop through your link, you get 60% of SW and 40% of BNB back into your Trust wallet, as you can see. Now, for this project, like I said, I don't know about you, but for me, immediately after this video, I will be partaking in their presale. Yes, because I have done my research. As you can see, one thing that caught my attention the most is their partners. They are being partnered by Solana, X21, Athena Ventures, HG Ventures, Kangaroos, and all the rest. Just name them, Rainbow. Now, I have, clicked each and every one of their investors to check if it's real or not, and to an extent, I'm satisfied with what I've seen. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so I urge you to make your own research before investing into any crypto project. Okay. Now, for the sake of this video, we'll be going straight into claiming this airdrop. As you can see, we'll be given 60 SDW for the airdrop. So without any further delay, we'll just go and copy the link address. I'll go and copy the link address, which I will drop in the description of this video. Yes, in case you cannot get it, you do well by joining our Telegram group so that you can get your hands on all these things. Right now, without any further delay, I'll go into the dApp of my Trust wallet. I'll paste the address into the dApp, then we'll search. Now, like I said, always remember to change the network from Ethereum to smart chain in order to avoid paying huge gas fee. Yes, that's where you change it from. Now we are in the site again, as you can see. Yes, planting the seed of a better tomorrow. You can take your time to go through them, then you decide whether you want to partake in the presale or claim just the airdrop. It's still loading, so we'll allow it to load. Okay, allow it to load. Okay, now we'll be going straight into claiming the airdrop. So I'll just click the claim button. Click the claim button and we'll allow it to connect to our wallet. Okay, it has connected finally to our wallet. It's asking us to connect, so we just connect and wait for it to load. Yes, this is the smart contract screen. Good. Now we are in the smart contract screen. We are going to be paying a fee, a little bit of 0.02 BNB. That's about 77 cents. And we'll be paying a network fee of 58 cents. You heard me right, 58 cents. So what we have to do now is just approve the transaction. It asked me for a PIN. Good. Now it has been approved. Our airdrop has been claimed. Now the next thing for us to do now is to get the contract address, which you can see here. Then I will still leave it in the video description, but in case you cannot get it, you have to go to our Telegram group and get it. So just go there, we'll click this two dot there, then we'll scroll down till we see add custom token. Click it. We have to change from Ethereum to smart chain. All we have to do now is paste. Yes, then we click done, and boom, we have our 60 SDW. Now our airdrop has been claimed. Our airdrop has been